welcome to Lakeland College. I'm Danielle White, I'm an enrollment specialist, and I'm here to take you on a tour of Lakeland College. Here in Student Services, this is where you can come and talk to them about paying your fees, adding money to your printing, or coming and talking to them about your student ID if you've lost it or need to replace it. You can also find financial aid here, so if you want to talk about loans, scholarships, awards, bursaries. You can also come and find our nurse and counseling services here as well, or Karen's office, to learn more about your educational options, how you study, and expand on those skills. Across the hall, we have our security crew, who if you happen to lock yourself out, you give them a call. If you feel unsafe and need to walk home, you can talk to them as well. Across the hall, you'll also see our Student Employment Board, which is where you can look up any job possibilities. We want you to be hired as soon as you graduate. Welcome to the Commons. This is where you can get any assistance for your educational needs. If you're looking for research material, study time, a computer lab, or a place to print off your materials or projects, this is where you can come. Our information technology site will also assist you with any of your Wi-Fi, login, password needs. We have our computer labs here for you, so if you don't have a laptop or you need to get out of the dorms for a bit, you can come to our computer labs and utilize those. There are also several different breakout session rooms where you can get into your groups, practice presentations, and go over any study materials you might need. In our learner success and accessibility services, if you've ever had an assessment done in high school and you need, say, longer time or a reader during exams, you can also visit our accessibility services for any peer tutoring needs. Welcome to the Bookstore. This is where you can get any and all of your textbook needs, supplies from pens, pencils, and measuring tapes, to also all of your fun Lakeland swag to represent those nice t-shirts, sweaters, backpacks. If you're just feeling a stress-free shopping break. Also, you can add money to your printing account if you happen to run out. Welcome to Human Services. This crew is what I consider the heart of the school. They are very caring and they deal with people on a regular basis. Some of the courses that you can take with them are Educational Assistant, Early Learning and Childcare, both a certificate or a diploma, and our Child and Youth Care Diploma working with at-risk youth. Please check out also their online programs, which you can do in French if you are bilingual. One of the things I love about any of these programs is you get a practicum at the end of each semester. You also get to interact with our daycare that's on campus. Our American Sign Language Deaf Culture Studies and our American Sign Language and Interpreter program are both offered under Human Services, but in Edmonton, just a little ways down the road. We also have our Animal Assisted Wellness Certificate and our Community Mental Health Certificate. Both of these are post-credentials, and if you're currently in the industry, I highly recommend checking them out. Welcome to our Interior Design Wing. Here, our interior design students are here for a 2-year diploma. They're nationally accredited with the NKBA Association. The interior design program has gone on to win many awards, 16 years running in fact. Our students have access to 24/7 computer labs, so your creativity, if it's going at 11 o'clock at night, can still continue. Starting out with some hand rendering, growing and expanding onto your computer lab work, and being able to come up with apartments, condos, complexes, and how a room all flows together. It's a bit of what you get to learn here. This is one area I always like to point out. At the end of Bentley Building is our computer labs for the Academic Link. So if you're looking for Academic Link computer labs, you're going to actually walk down the hall of the Bentley Building and run into it. Welcome to our newly renovated Academic Link Science Labs. Our environmental science and agriculture sciences get to utilize these labs. This is where you get to learn outside of your textbook. You get to put it to practical use within the science labs here, as well as outdoors, studying all the variations of soil, water, plants, and animals. Welcome to our Trade Center, home of our pre-employment and apprenticeship programs. Our pre-employment programs, pre-employment electrical, as well as welding. Our apprenticeship programs involve welding, electrical, carpentry, heavy equipment technicians, automotive service, and parts technicians, which can also be done online. In our trades facilities, a lot of the classrooms and offices for your instructors are upstairs, and the labs are downstairs. Our trades labs and workshops are fully equipped with the best technology that you could need. Mead Building, home of our agriculture science, so you guys will enjoy the tiered classrooms, the TVs, the labs, as well. Our student-managed farm office is in here. If you're having questions about your classrooms or your course that you are taking, your ag academic advisor would be the person to talk to. As well, down this hallway, I find it very colorful because it's also home for all our club boards. Come and see what you'd like to experience at Lakeland. One of the main parts in our agriculture sciences is our student-managed farm powered by New Holland. So let's go check it out. Welcome to the Rec Center. We want you to be as healthy and well-rounded as possible while you're attending school, and we get that that is more than just books. Here's a great opportunity for you to learn how to wall climb, maybe scuba dive, take part in the different clubs and activities. There are also many different dorm wars parties that are happening here. Get your competition on and try to get into the Deltas next year. Residence Village, your home away from home. There's free laundry, free parking, free Wi-Fi. Living on campus is very convenient. The school is right nice and close. Your farm checks are but a step or two away. Spurs is your connection to all student activities. It is home of the SA. They plan and coordinate many activities that happen on campus and all of the social activities. We know that's a big part of being a college student, and we want you to have the most fun. One of the things I loved when I lived on campus was the creation of my extra family. We got to have movie nights, we would chill, we would relax, we could study if we wanted to. It was just that safe feeling of being on campus in a nice place. You could have your alone time if you wanted to, but there was also a nice mix between our mature dorms, our social dorms, our quiet dorms. It's about what suits your personality and finding that home. Come and join the rest of your Lakeland family, get the full experience, and take in every moment of your college opportunities.